Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy S9 device, and now I'm going to show you how to bypass FRP on this smartphone. So as you can see, here I have my Samsung smartphone, and as you can see, the smartphone is blocked by FRP. So now I'll show you how to bypass it. So firstly, you need to disconnect from Wi-Fi network. You need to eject the SIM card if you have mobile internet. So your device must be disconnected from any networks. Great. Then you need to open our website with this link. I will leave the link under this video, so you can find it in the description of the video. And then here you will see Samsung drivers, so you need to download it. So just click download and install it. Click yes. Yes, download it all. Then you need to download Samsung Bypass FRP tool. I have downloaded it. You can download it by using this link on Mega Drive, so you don't need to use codes, wait a minute, I don't know. I don't need to watch the ads. So I have downloaded it here, and then you need to disable your antivirus. To do it, you need to you don't need to disable the antivirus, but you need to add this download folder to exclusions on the antivirus. So to do it, just open your protector, open this plate, then scroll down, find here virus and threat protection, click manage settings, disable real-time protection, cloud protection, click exclusions, add or remove exclusion, and add downloads folder to the exclusions. Great. Then my drivers are installed. Then open unpacked folder and open this file with administrator rights. Alright. Great. Now on your Samsung device, you need to click emergency call, then choose star hash 0 star hash. You'll open test mode, then connect your smartphone to the to the PC using USB-C cable. And then you will see this message on your device. If you see this message, it means that drivers are installed successfully. So wait a while for about 30-40 seconds. 2 drivers will be successfully installed on this computer. And then, And then just click remove FRP button. Click and wait. Now, as you can see, this program says that we need to open test mode, but click already open this mode. Wait a while. Click always allow. Click allow. Removing, and great. As you can see, we have removed our FRP protection. So just wait a while. As you can see, this program has opened their website. So now just just wait until your device will restart. So wait for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now try to unlock your device, and as you can see, we have bypassed our Samsung. So now you can disconnect your device from the smartphone, or your PC from the smartphone, and as you can see, now we can use our device. We have now Google accounts, and now we can sign in to the Google account. So first we need to connect to the Wi-Fi, of course. So just try it. I'll show you that all works. So open Play Store, and as you can see, now we can sign in to our Google account without any blockades. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.